Good morning, students. In my previous lecture, I taught you kinds of sentences: assertive or declarative sentence, imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Now we are going to learn about exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentence. These sentences expresses strong feeling. The feeling may be of joy, sorrow, wonder, etc. These sentences are marked by the sign of exclamation at the end. All of you know the sign of exclamation? This is the sign of exclamation. If they have interjections, what is an interjection? Bravo, hurrah, alas, ha, oh, ouch. These are the interjections. The exclamatory sign comes after interjections. Okay, now look at examples. How beautiful this house is. This is feeling of wonder. How sad the man was. Feeling of sorrow. Ouch, I hurt my big toe. Feeling of sorrow. Alas, his grandfather is no more. That is also feeling of sorrow. Okay. Look at some other examples. Hurrah, interjection, mark, exclamation mark. We have won the match. Feeling of joy. It expresses feeling of joy. Alas, exclamation mark, my grand expired last Monday. This expresses the feeling of sorrow. Bravo, exclamation mark, it is a good ball. Feeling of praise. Look at another example. What a beautiful rose. Exclamation mark. Feeling of wonder. Examples: hurrah, we have won the match. Feeling of joy. Alas, my grandfather expired last Monday. Feeling of sorrow. Bravo, it is a good ball. Feeling of praise. What a beautiful rose. Feeling of wonder. Now, formation of exclamatory sentences. the two common ways in which exclamatory sentences are constructed. First one is using what with a noun. Understand by these examples. Okay. Example: what an experience. Exclamation mark. What a victory. Exclamation mark. What a beautiful sunset. These sentences formed by using what with a noun. What an experience. Experience is noun. What a victory. Victory is noun. What a beautiful sunset. Sunset is noun. Okay. Now second, using how with an adjective or an adverb. Understand by these examples. How rudely she speaks. Another example: how careless you are. Look at once more example. How happy the man is. These sentences formed by using how with an adjective or an adverb. How rudely she speaks. Rudely here an adverb. How careless you are. Careless adjective. How happy the man is. Here happy adjective. Okay. When we are using these words, what and how we differentiate between exclamatory sentences and interrogative sentences. Look at exclamatory or interrogative. The position of the subject and the verb are different in an exclamatory and an interrogative sentences. How? Try to understand by these examples. How fast is the car? This one is interrogative. How fast the car is? Exclamation mark. The difference between two sentences: in exclamatory sentence, the verb comes after subject. The car is subject and the verb comes after the subject. Look at other example. What is that strange thing? This is interrogative. Because verb comes after interrogative word what. What a strange thing that is! Exclamation mark. Here is come after subject. So that's why it is exclamatory. Exclamatory sentence. Okay. In short, an exclamatory sentence expresses a sudden and strong feeling of joy, sorrow, or wonder. The words what and how and interjections such as alas, hurrah, bravo, oh, or oh God expresses feeling and are used in the beginning of the exclamatory sentences. In these sentences, subjects comes before verbs. Okay, we put a mark of exclamation at the end of an exclamatory sentences. In homework, you have to revise kind of sentence. Okay, thank you.